conceptual plans for the hotel are centred around the story of Hinemo and Tutanekai. We have a whole cultural narrative overlaid that we went out to the world. The investor themselves will have the final say, but we've been really clear that the hotel, when it lands, needs to be consistent with our cultural narrative and journey, which is also consistent with what we've done here in Waiariki. So we're immersed right in it, it's us. We originally had planned to do Waiariki, where we are here now, with the hotel at the same time, but the economic conditions just weren't favourable for that. So Waiariki's been open now for 2 years, and they always say good things take time. So we just took our time, we just waited for the market, and all the indicators are now the time is right. We're 25 now. If it takes 3 or 4 years to build, all the projections are that tourism will be on a massive rebound, and we just want to capture that. Big thing for us, jobs for our people, and including anyone in Rotorua, but our focus will definitely be on Ngāti Whakaue. That's who we want to employ first. And again, just lifting the tourism offering that Rotorua has to offer overall, because we always say what's good for us is good for Rotorua, and that's a motto that we live by.